Good morning, friends. We are ready for our Sunday lesson number 45. All right, so we are going to read the sounds. Go ahead and read them out loud. A, R, a, or, all, ch, j, oi, sh, I, k, ow, a, o, I, e, u, e, qua, wa. Okay, and now we're going to spell the sounds. So you can either use a whiteboard and dry erase marker if you have it, or you could use a piece of paper and either a marker, a pencil, colored pencil, or a crayon. All right, I'm going to say the sound. You repeat after me, and then we're going to write it. I'm just going to get my box going here. Okay. All right. There we go. All right. Cur. You say it. Cur. We write it. C-R. Cur. Our next sound. As in book. You say it. You write it. O-O. Okay. Our next sound is kt. Kt. Okay. You say it. Kt. We write it. C-T. As in fact. Our next sound is ing. You say it. Ing. It's 3 letters. We write it. I-N-G. Ing. All right. Our next sound is all. You say it. All. We write it. A-L-L. All. Okay. Our next sound is qua. You say it. Qua. We write it. Q-U. Qua. Next sound. X. You say it. X. We write it. X. And the last one is pla. You say it. Pla. We write it. P-L. Pla. Very good. So I also want you to write the long I at the end of the word. What would a long I at the end of the word look like? It would be a Y. Great job. Give yourself a round of applause. And let's keep working. We're going to go ahead and read our words. So say it out loud. Some. Any. Says. Want. Should. Come. Been. Give. Have. Live. Could. Would. Gem. Forge. Budge. Germ. Hinge. Ridge. Good job. Thank you for saying them with me. Gorge. Rage. Judge. Wage. Huge. Ledge. Stage. Fringe. Barge. Plunge. Merge. Smudge. Point. Intent. Cooking. Ploy. Calling. Fiber. Relic. Groomer. Meter. Tennis. Booking. Basic. 7. Frying. Refuse. Good. Herself. Cloy. Shiver. Going. token, tavern, dental, shook. Smoother, quicker, joist, silent, flying, soy. Looks, critic, admit, boots, crooks, shook. Why, moist, smooth, sooner, fifth, showing, brook. And we have our sentences. I could tan on the back deck in the summer. What is the wingspan of a falcon? The mixer broke in my hand. The impact left a deep crater. Okay, and now we're going to spell words. And today is actually our mastery check-in. So I'm going to say the words, you're going to repeat it after me, and then I need you to write it down on a piece of paper, kind of like a spelling test. And then if you could take a screenshot and post it to Seesaw. Today I added your Seesaw logins to your map for the day so that you could get into the activity I have for you in Seesaw. So here we go. If you need to pause the video at any time and grab any supplies, you can, and then just restart it. Okay, our first word is plywood. You say it, plywood. We spell it P-L-Y-W-O-O-D. Okay, number 2, brook. You say it, brook. We spell it B-R-O-O-K. Number 3, clamping. You say it, clamping. We spell it K-O-M-P-ing. Number 4, frowning. You say it, frowning. We spell it F-R-O-W-N-ing. Number 5, footstool. You say it, footstool. We spell it F-O-T-S-T-O-O. Number 6, have. That's a sight word. You repeat it, have. Number 7, window. You say it, window. We spell it W-N-D-O. Number 8, brushing. You say it, brushing. We spell it B-R-U-S-H-ing. Number 9, masher. You say it, masher. We spell it M-A-S-H-E-R. Number 12, printer. You say it, printer. We spell it P-R-I-N-T-E-R. Sorry, that was number 10. I got off on my numbers. Sorry, guys. Now, number 11, jumper. You say it, jumper. We spell it J-U-M-P-E-R. Ugh, too early in the morning for me. All right, so that was 10, 11. We're on 12, crook. You say it, crook. We spell it K-R-O-O-K. All right, so 4, 8, 12. We're on 13. Quintet. You say it, quintet. We spell it in et. Remember, it's got that qua at the beginning. Okay, number 14 is the compound word bookshelf. You say it, bookshelf. We spell it b-o-o-k-sh-l-o. Bookshelf. Okay, number 15, give. It's a sight word. You repeat it, give. Okay, number 16, blender. You say it, blender. We spell it b-o-n-d-er. Okay, number 17, live. It's a sight word, so you repeat it, live. And number 18, another compound word, woodshed. You say it, woodshed. We spell it w-d-sh-ed. Okay, number 19, standing. You say it, standing. We spell it st-and-ing. And our last word is next. You say it, next. We spell it next. Next. All right. You did a fabulous job today, friends. Make sure you kiss your brain for your hard work. And I want you to try to either have your parents send me a picture of that, or you can post a picture to Seesaw. Great job.